check before you move the steering to the left. I've seen that. Yeah.
Okay.
Never make this. Warum wird das Lenkrad immer nach links rumgerissen, wenn man startet, ne? Warum? Das ist eine dumme Angewohnheit. Ganz dumme Angewohnheit. A little bit more distant to the right. Ja, da sind noch ganz viele Lenkradeingriffe vonnöten, ne? Bild ist falsch rum. Wieso wird es Bild ist nicht falsch rum? Das ist ein Querformat. Nein. Let them pass. We never make this.
Yeah,
never. I told you.
No. I thought it stopped.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let the bus start.
Yeah.
And have the preference.
Yeah.
We stay here on this lane and want to turn right here. Yeah? You can see that on the plate. We turn right now. You have to close on the right. So, sequence here. No. You pump the brake, and that's not good. And go. Distance on the right, distance on the right, distance on the right, more distance on the right. And now look on the green lamp. Look on the green lamp. And 50 kilometers you can drive here. Nobody is here. No one is here in the traffic. You can drive here. 50. Now you're driving downhill. And then you need to brake a little bit, no? But you become too fast. Don't brake. That is pre-lamp. The pre-lamp gives you an information. The pre-lamp is only an information for you.
Okay.
Yeah? Only information for you that this lamp, the next,